Okay, good evening. Welcome to
AwesomeMath number 93a.
AwesomeMath number 93a. I saw a super cool problem from James Hanton today.
Yep.
And it has to do with divisibility by 11, which we just talked about.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So you just learned about the divisibility rule for 11. And he says, how many 5-digit palindromes are divisible by 11? Do you know what a palindrome is?
It's a number. It's a number that, like, 1, 0, 1 would be a palindrome. It's
Okay.
the number that it's a number that's read the same forwards or backward.
Okay, awesome. Very good. Very good.
And it says how many 5-digit palindromes
Are divisible by 11. Yeah. So first, probably we got to figure out how many 5-digit palindromes there are. That might be a good starting point. How would we figure that out?
Well, we could just say.
Anyways.
You just say, well, you have, you can use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. So you have 9 choices for the first digit.
Okay.
And then you have 1 choice for the second digit, the last digit, because it has to be whatever this digit is.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. Why can't I use a 0 here?
Because then it wouldn't be a 5-digit number.
Yeah. Okay.
So, and then you can use a 0 here, 10, 1,
All right.
and then this could be anything. So, looks like there's 900.
Whoa. Okay. Awesome. Let's just write that over here. There are 900
5-digit palindromes.
5-digit palindromes, and we're going to try to figure out how many are divisible by 11. How many of the 900? For sure, we know the number is less than what?
We know it would be less than 900.
Or maybe it might be equal to 900, but it's not going to be like 1,000 of them, right?
No.
There's only 900 choices. Okay, so now, give me a 5-digit palindrome. Just make one up.
Well, you could use 1, 2, 3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3, 2, 1. How do we check if a number is divisible by 11?
Well, we add these odd digits.
Okay.
So that would be 5, and then we subtract by these even ones. So this one would not be divisible by 11.
Okay, what has to happen when we subtract?
If it is equal to a multiple of 11,
Okay.
then it's divisible by 11.
Very good. And there's only one thing I want to clarify just for the video because a funny thing happened accidentally. The odd digits were actually odd numbers, and the even digits were even numbers.
So
we don't mean subtract the digits that are odd. We mean here's the first digit, the second, the third, the fourth, and the fifth. So we take the first, third, fifth digits, add them together,
and then
and subtract away
the second
and fourth, and that has to be divisible by 11.
Yeah.
Okay? So we have an interesting thing here, trying to figure out like what multiples of 11 could we even get in this situation.
Well,
That's a good thing to finish up this video with. For example, when I add up x, y, z, y, x. When I add up x, z, and y, and then subtract y and y, could I get 50, 55?
Well, that wouldn't be possible.
Why not?
Because the maximum these digits could be is 27.
So the maximum the even digits could be is 27.
And then that's not the maximum because you have to subtract these digits.
Okay.
And the minimum you can subtract is 1 and 1.
Sure.
Well, you have to subtract to 22.
You have to subtract down to 22. These
Well,
could
but
be
you
zero.
can use 0.
Right, so it could be as high as
Yeah.
27, but what's the highest multiple of 11?
The highest is 22.
Okay, so we're going to have 22, it could be 22.
It could be 22, 11, or 0.
Or 0. Interesting. Could it be negative? Could I get 2x plus z minus 2y? Could this be less than 0?
I think so.
Okay, how? Like, give me an example.
Well, these digits have to be, well, but if these digits are, the minimum of these digits can be our 1.
Okay, because x could be 1
Yeah.
and z could be 2,
Yeah.
or 0, I mean. Right, so this could be 2 plus 0.
2 plus 0, and then the maximum of these digits could be is 8. So the sum is 18.
So minus 18,
That would get us to 16.
minus 16.
And then you can only have these. The sum of these is even. The sum of these is even.
Yeah.
And and 11 is an odd number.
Well, but maybe I could make this 1, 1, 1, and so this would be 3 minus 18. So do you think I can get to minus 11?
It looks like it.
Yeah, because I've got a minus 18, 3 minus 18 would be minus 15. So if I can get to minus 15, I can probably get to minus 11.
Yeah.
So these look like they're my choices.
Yeah.
22, 11, 0, or minus 11.
Mm.
And now we got to figure out, like, how are we going to even count this? Okay?
Yep.
All right, let's go to part B.